weighing in at 107 pounds, from La Trinidad Benguet, a prodigy of Highland Boxing Gym, ladies and gentlemen, Roylo Corles! Our judges at ringside, Mr. Ed Nobleza, Mr. Romy Yulo, and Mr. Manny Manangkil. At the sound of the bell, the man in charge of the action is international referee, Mr. Virgilio Garcia. 6 rounds of professional boxing, maybe less.
So our second bout in the evening, we have of course Mark Costa of Rizal and Roylo Corles of La Trinidad Benguet, so another 106 pounds. No? At ito po ata, 8-rounder ba? Yung 6-rounder. So papalitan po natin dahil dito po sa ating fight card, 8-rounder. So dapat ito 6-rounder lang. Okay. So start of the first round, mga kaibigan, medyo kirihan pa pero mukhang itong si Mark Costa is from the Haro Boxing Stable. Abay, sikat na sikat po itong Haro Boxing Stable na to. Abay, bakit naman hindi sisikat? Dahil dito po bumoboxing itong si Denver Coelho. So parehas pong itong parehas na boksingero is sporting a black trunks, although itong from La Trinidad Benguet, itong si Corles is black with yellow trim, at ito namang si Costa medyo iba rin, yung may merong tatak na Haro Boxing Stable yung kanyang shorts. Very nice combination ang pinapakita nitong si Corles. Corles is the more faster and quicker boxer, no? Ito sa kanilang laban, but if you are going to look at the body, no? Itong si Costa medyo bato-bato po ito, stocky ka nga. Hindi nilang pareha, no? Kung may tama na, that's the headbutt. Again, good combination. Corles, 1-2 combination. Ito, marami na. Itong si slugger, both fighter are sluggers, no? But the more finesse and the most accurate puncher doon sa dalawa, itong si Corles. Corles, a fine boxer, ito medyo magulang, itong si Costa. Costa is all over the face of Corles. And look at him. Wow. Ano ba ng dancer itong si Corles, A slick fighter itong si Corles. So yan po yung last 10 seconds natin sa ating first round. So so far maganda po ang pinakita dito sa first round itong si Roylo Corles. So start of the second round between Goles and Costa. Ito yung 106 pounds natin, no? Goles dancing. Dito ito naman si Costa, very game po. Ito bang boksingero to, slugger. Good job. And look at that combination. Going to the body. Itong si Goles. Goles, good job. Ganda yung kanyang right jab, ha. And look at that uppercut. Buti na lang hindi po tumama. Costa. Moving in. Good body shot. Ito puro hangin po. Ang tatamaan. Itong si Costa. Kikita niyo po yung mata nitong si may focus na focus, ha. Itong si Goles. Kaya natwa-warningan, ano, dahil medyo mababa. Medyo mababa po itong suntok ni Costa. Huwag kang tatalikod. Good defense by Goles. Well, Goles is showing us some, you know, basic no, yung kanyang boxing, ano, itong si Goles is more of a technical boxer. Nakita mo yung kanyang galaw. He has that heavy movement, slick boxer. Medyo nahihirapan itong si Costa na tamaan itong si Goles dahil medyo malikot po itong si Goles and magaling pong sumayaw. And that's it. Start of the third round. Good counter by Goles. Again, look at the combination. Ano, magaganda yung binibitawan itong si Goles, ha? Good counter naman. Itong ginawa nila. Wow! Mukhang pangalawang beses na ito. We'll see kung ayan, ha? Point deduction po ang may point deduction po itong si Costa because of that low blow. Medyo nahihirapan, ano, itong si Costa, hindi niya matamaan itong si Goles, kaya binananan na lang po sa baba. And makikita niyo po itong si Goles is grazing in pain. There will be 5 minutes of force para po magpahinga. He has all the time para makapagpahinga itong si Goles. clock starts again. Goles. Good job by Goles. Goles picking his shots. And look at that. Powerful combinations. Again, another low blow by Costa. That's the third time that he did. Ayan, ha? So si Goles has to go to his son, to go to the neutral corner. This is becoming a dirty fight. As Goles receives another low blow from Costa. Again, Costa. Abay, 5 minuto yan. Agresibo na dito itong si Goles. And of course, itong si Costa is a very dangerous fighter. Good uppercut. Again, magkasunod po binitawan itong si Costa. Snapping the head of Goles, no? Doon sa binibitawan itong si, sorry, no? Yung ulo po nitong si Costa. Let's see, short uppercut. Pinakawalan itong si Costa. But 1-2 combination, looping left. Again to the body. Ito, nanganap na itong si Costa. Counter by Costa. Ayun, hangin na naman po ang tinamaan. Last 10 seconds.